Now, what do you got in your hand?
I have a Blackberry Crown Old Fashioned.
Ooh. So we do a lot of old fashions in Wisconsin. If you're from another state that also does old fashions, please, please put it in the comments because we would love to know where else in the country or world actually loves old fashions like Wisconsinites.
Yeah. And if you haven't tried an Old Fashioned, I highly recommend it.
Yes, we both do.
Yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe to Grill. Today we're doing ribs, but we're doing them party style. We've got our rack of baby back ribs. We're going to take the membrane off there and cut these up. We're going to season them today. We always start with the famous Dave's rib rub. That is the first thing that goes on these things.
Okay.
Pulled pork flavored ribs. We've got our binder. We're just going to use some avocado oil that we've got in this handy spray bottle.
It's the best spray bottle.
It is, because it sprays and
it pours.
And it pours. And we're going to cut them up today with our Culina knife. These things are awesome. All right, we're going to get the membrane off of this thing, and we are going to slice these up. When you guys are pulling your membrane off, when you get it started here, if you haven't seen this trick yet, grab yourself a paper towel. It helps immensely with your grip.
Wow, look at that. Came off so nice.
Oh, yeah.
You always have a little issue on both ends, but that's awesome.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
And we've rinsed these already as well. So the easiest way that you're going to be able to find the bone, because you definitely want to make sure you're between them. Yes, find the bone, is to have the ribs flipped backwards, upside down, whatever you want to say. And we're going to start here with the first rib.
Oh, look at that.
Well, it's a little tricky getting in between here because everything's all curved, but you could also do something like this here.
It's definitely personal preference.
Yep.
Whatever works best for you.
Just get them sliced up individually. That's what we're looking for.
Right. And that's what makes them party style, right?
Yeah. So we get down to this bit here, and this is weird because I've got one rib. I don't have a bone here, but I've got a little bit of bone here. I'm going to cut these off. I'm just going to get rid of them completely. Do with that what you will, Internet. If you guys haven't seen any videos that I've done with these Culina knives, I'm going to tell you right now, when you get done with this, make sure you wash it right away. They do keep an edge really nicely, but you're going to want to wash it and oil it, put it back in the sheath. We've got ours in a nice little rack here.
Mm-hmm.
Spray it on. Yep. And we're just going to get that coated. Spray a little more. There you go. We're just going to get these nice and coated. And we're going to leave them right in this pan. This is where these things are going to cook. So let's season them up with the famous Dave's rib rub first. Give them a good seasoning. And mix them up. A little more. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to take a little bit of our pulled pork. I'm going to throw that on there.
Who's this by? Oh, this is by Pit Boss.
Pit Boss. Pit
Cool.
Boss pulled pork. Over here a little more. Over there a little more. I'm just kidding. No, that's fine. We're going to add some more. We're going to stir this up just a little bit. Make sure you get them everything coated. That is the game plan.
Yep.
There we go. Look at that. Now, our ribs are usually seasoned up very well. This is going to be even better seasoned because it's all around. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Party style ribs. Never done these before. I am super excited about it. This could be a game changer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I want to make sure that they're all kind of laying down, touching the bottom of the pan. I don't want them layered. We're going to bring this out to the smoker. We've got the smoker set at 225 just like we do with regular ribs. These should only take about 5 hours. We're going to make sure that these things get fully, thoroughly cooked. We're going to use our meat stick. This is the Meat Stick 4X. I'm going to use the end piece here because it's the biggest one, or just pick a big rib, something that's got a lot of meat to it. And this is the one that has the most meat to it. You're going to kind of be right in the center. We're going to just bring that through.
And you go all the way up to the plastic.
Yep, get it up to the plastic.
Cool.
We can put that right in there like that.
To the smoker?
To the smoker! We're going to throw these on. We're going to let that internal temperature get up to about 150 or so.
Nice.
Right. Well, the internal temperature got up to 150 on the very inside probe, which is what we're looking for right now. We're going to give these things all just kind of a quick turn. So we've got our ribs. We've just tossed them. We're just going to sprinkle some brown sugar on here. Okay. Now this is just our glaze that we're going to put on while this finishes smoking. We're also going to do some barbecue sauce on these afterwards.
We're going to do barbecue sauce?
Yeah, on these ones.
We never do that.
I know.
I hope we have barbecue sauce.
We do. We have a little bit. Doesn't take a lot. Does not take a lot of honey. Does not take a lot of brown sugar. We're going to add a little bit of butter to this. It's almost going to be like we're doing burnt ends, right? There you go. That's all you need to do. We're going to take our lid, and that's it. Don't have to be too tight. We're not trying to seal it. We're just trying to cover it, keep the heat in here. We're going to throw these back on. This is going to sit covered for about 2 hours. We're going to take the cover off, put some barbecue sauce on, shake them up, throw them back on for that last hour. Let that get a nice glaze to it. Because it's so cold out here, I did crank it up to 250 just to keep that ambient heat up.
Oh, yeah.
But if you're doing this in the summertime, 225 should be all you need. All right, it has been, well, a while. Our ribs came to temperature. I lost connection for a little bit, but they're up to 212, which is a little bit more than we wanted, but it'll still be all right. We definitely didn't burn them. Ooh, look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah. So we're going to leave these uncovered for the rest of the cook. About another half an hour now. We're going to drizzle this. It's about a quarter of a bottle. I'm going to use everything I got in here. You don't need a whole lot.
Oh, a fancy flip.
Yeah, we're just going to toss these. Look at that. They're nice
that's
and coated,
perfect.
right? We're going to put these on here until everything else finishes up. Just about another half an hour, and everything should be done. That's going to leave a nice glaze on there. We're going to come back in a half an hour for a taste test. Can't wait. Well, it's been a half an hour, and we are ready to pull these things off, and we have special guest taste testers, so you guys don't have to take my word for it. Look at that, huh? Oh, look at that. It's falling apart already. Perfect. They're perfect right there. Because they're almost fall off the bone, but they're staying on there just enough that you can use it, right? It's like rib at a Coupe.
Yeah, that's amazing. It's so soft.
Oh, look at that. Yeah? What do you guys think?
Good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Amazing.
All right. Party ribs.
Yes, please.
So there you go. Party ribs on the smoker. A little bit quicker than the regular ones. I know we don't usually do barbecue sauce, but man, I tell you what, that glaze on there looks amazing. I can't wait to dig into that myself. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. Well, we got 6 people for dinner tonight, so we're doing ribs and chicken. Because otherwise, I just can't do ribs and chicken for just the 2 of us. It's too much.
Well, he says that, and I think it's just to keep me from eating all the ribs. It's very good.
That is the favorite way I have pork. No. That's the way I like my pork.
Pulled.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But just to be sure. We're going to have to wipe
Dude, this is a disaster.
I don't know why.
I don't either with all the whiskey that's happening.
I'll just take this whole.
Well, we know what Alan's going to have for dinner. We're going to go in and have the mashed potatoes then.